Hello, my name is Dr. Milton Mills. The earliest known evidence for the use of mammals for their milk is as old as 6,000 years in certain areas of the world, but in Western European countries, it's about 3,000 years that we have good evidence for the use of dairy foods. But the point that I was making is that human beings, again, according to evolutionary theory, existed for almost 100,000 years before we started using other mammals for their milk. So clearly, we don't need it. And it's really absurd to argue that any mammal needs to drink the milk of another species. That's just absurd on its face. Milk is a secretion that female mammals make that is designed to feed their babies. Nature, God, whoever you want to pull into this conversation, never intended that as adults we would be drinking our own milk, let alone the milk of another species. So, the way I look at it, I'm sometimes even reluctant to call milk food. I mean, it's a material that we can ingest, and it's a material that we can ingest for, fun, for the taste of it, or just because we like it. But in my mind, it's like using some recreational drug. I mean, it's not necessary. Yeah, it's optional, but it's not something that you have to do or that you need to do. And humans do not have to drink cow's milk or goat's milk or sheep's milk, and we don't, and it doesn't supply any nutrient that we can't get elsewhere in our diet.